In this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode on your Android phone Chrome browser. This is the best method to do so. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open up the Chrome app, and if you do see an incognito option immediately from this homepage, you're more than welcome to go ahead and just select it, and that'll immediately put you in incognito mode. However, if you don't see that option, just tap the three dots up in the top right and you're going to see new incognito tab. Go ahead and select that and it'll open up that private tab as well. The process really is as simple as that. Incognito essentially is going to make it so that your browsing history, cookies, site data, and form information are not saved after you close the tab. So in this case, let me go ahead and back out to the home screen again, and we are good to go. The process really is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.